Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about the linear differential equation. Today we discussing about a new topic, that is Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. Write down the most general form. The most general form of Bernoulli differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation is given by dy dx plus px into y is equal to qx into y to the power na. Y to the power na. Provided n not equal to 1. N not equal to 1. This is the most general form of Bernoulli differential equation. Dy dx plus px into y is equal to qx into y to the power na, provided n not equal to not equal to 1. For n is equal to 0, the Bernoulli differential equation will convert it to the linear differential equation. Write down one point. For n is equal to 0, Bernoulli differential equation will convert it to linear differential equation. Okay? Question is coming like that. For what value of Na, the Bernoulli differential equation will convert it to linear differential equation. So the answer is n is equal to 0. Okay? For n is equal to 1, this is not a Bernoulli differential equation. So how can you solve this type of Bernoulli differential equation? Procedures. Write down procedures. First of all, you have to divide y to the power n throughout. Write down. Divide y to the power n throughout. Dividing y to the power n throughout. So we get 1 by y to the power na dy dx plus px, here it is y by y to the power na is equal to qx. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by y to the power na dy dx plus px into y to the power 1 minus n is equal to qx. एठी जहा बळिबो, एठी जहा रहिबो आफ्टर डिवीजन, एठी जहा रहिबो ताकू z नै जिवे. एठी जहा रहिबो आफ्टर डिवीजन, एठी जहा रहिबो that is taken as z. So let write down, let y to the power 1 minus n is equal to z. Once you take, means you have to differentiating on both sides dz dy, dz dy, dz dx, sorry, dz dx with respect to x. So d dx of y to the power 1 minus n. Here it is x, here it is y. So you cannot differentiate directly. So applying the chain rule. bakso to the power na, 1 minus na, y to the power 1 minus n minus 1 into dy dx. Into dy dx. So 1 minus 1 cancel. So that will be written as d 1 by 1 minus n into dz dx is equal to 1 by y to the power n into dy dx. You see here, in place of 1 by y to the power n dy dx, we have to put this quantity. So the equation 1 becomes, so write down, equation 1 becomes in place of this, we have to put 1 by 1 minus n into dz dx plus px into z is equal to qx. Here you see n not equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, this is not valid. So now multiplying 1 minus n throughout, multiplying 1 minus n throughout. Okay, so we get dz dx plus 1 minus n into px into z 1 minus n into qx. Okay, so this is now linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation. It is a constant dz dx. Here is total function of x into z. Here it is also function of x. This is a linear differential equation. Then step 2, find integrating factor. Find the integrating factor. Integrating factor. IF is equal to e to the power this 1 minus n px into dx. Okay, let this integration factor be fx. Say fx say. Let the integrating factor fx say. Then solution. Write down solution. Solution z into integrating factor. Here it is 1 minus n into qx into integrating factor whole into dx. Integrating factor is fx. Write down. Putting the value of z now. Last step, put the value of z. Y to the power 1 minus n. Here it is integrating factor fx. Here it is 1 minus n qx into fx dx. Okay. So this is the procedures for Bernoulli differential equation. Step 1. First of all, we have to dividing y to the power n throughout. Then find the integrating factor. Then solution z into integrating factor this. Okay, Bernoulli differential equation first converted to linear differential equation. Then you can solve the linear differential equation easily. Okay, so now we have to work out one examples. Write down one example for Bernoulli differential equation. Write down one example. x question x into dy dx plus y is equal to x into y square. First of all, we have to dividing x throughout because the coefficient of dy dx must be equal to 1. Dividing, write down, dividing throughout x dy dx plus y by x is equal to y square. Okay, so this is a Bernoulli differential equation. Now this is a Bernoulli differential equation. Dy dx px into y, qx is 1 here into y square. This is a Bernoulli differential equation. Okay, this is Bernoulli differential equation. So first of all, we have to dividing y square throughout. Dividing y square throughout. One by y square into dy dx plus 1 by x, here it is 1 by y after division, is equal to 1. Now you have to take this quantity as z. Write down z is equal to 1 by y. dz dx minus 1 by y square into dy dx. Okay, so that is minus dz dx is equal to 1 by y square into dy dx. So in place of this, we have to put this. Now the equation 1 becomes, in place of this, we have to put this. Minus dz dx plus 1 by x into z is equal to 1. Now multiplying minus 1. Multiplying minus 1. So dz dx minus 1 by x into z is equal to minus 1. So this is now linear differential equation. Write down, this is a linear differential equation. This is linear differential equation. Px is minus 1 by x, qx is minus 1. This is a linear differential equation. We have to find the integrating factor. IF, write down IF e to the power p dx. So that is e to the power minus 1 by x dx. Integration of 1 by x dx e to the power minus ln x. So that can be written as e to the power ln x to the power minus 1. So e to the power ln baksa is equal to baksa, means 1 by x. So integrating factor is coming out. Then solution is, write down the solution. Solution z into integrating factor q into integrating factor whole into dx. So z integrating factor is 1 by x, q is here minus 1, integrating factor 1 by x into dx. Now put the value of z. value of z is equal to 1 by y. 1 by y into 1 by x. Here it is minus dx by x ln x plus c. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Let us take another question. Write down question number 2. X dy dx plus y is equal to y square into log x. This is a linear differential equation. First of all, you have to dividing x. Dividing throughout x. So dy dx plus y by x is equal to y square log x by x. So this is now linear differential equation. Dy dx px into y qx into y square. First of all, we have to dividing throughout y square. Write down dividing throughout y square. So 1 by y square into dy dx plus 1 by x. Here it is 1 by y. Here it is log x by x. Log x by x. Now we have to take 1 by y as z. Write down 1 by y. Write down 1 by y is equal to z. So dz by dx, that is minus 1 by y square dy dx. Minus dz dx, that is 1 by y square dy dx. Already written there. Okay. So now in place of 1 by y square dy dx, we have to put, write down minus dz dx. Here it is 1 by x into z is equal to log x by x. Now multiplying minus 1. Multiplying minus 1. So we get dz dx minus 1 by x into z is equal to minus log x by x. Okay. So this is a linear differential equation. dz dx px into z is equal to qx. Write down this is linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation. Okay, so we get px is minus 1 by x, qx is equal to minus log x by x. Integrating factor e to the power p dx minus 1 by x dx, that is e to the power minus ln x. This can be written as ln x to the power minus 1. So e to the power ln baksa, that is 1 by x. Okay, solution. Write down solution. Z into integrating factor 1 by x. Here it is integration of qx means minus log x by x. Here it is 1 by x into dx. Okay. So how can you integrate this type of integral? So first of all, we have to take log x is equal to t. That means you also apply log x is equal to t dt dx is equal to 1 by x. X is equal to e to the power t. X is equal to e to the power t. Okay. So here we get z 1 by x. Here it is minus. In place of log x, that is t. In place of dx by x, we have to put dt. In place of x, you have to put e to the power t. This much converted. So applying the integration by parts, two types of function multiplied. One is algebraic function, another is exponential function. So exponential function comes second. So that is v. Here it is u. So applying, in place of z, we have to put 1 by y. Write down 1 by y. Here it is 1 by x. First, directly, first, integration of second, minus e to the power minus t. Then sine, minus derivative of first, that is 1. Integration of this, that is e to the power minus t plus c. Okay, so that can be written as 1 by xy. Here it is minus e to the power t common. Minus e to the power t common means it is plus. Plus, minus minus plus. Here it is minus minus plus. Here it is plus. E to the power minus t is taking common. Here it is t plus 1 plus c. Now in place of t, we have to put log x. So e to the power minus t, that is, write down last step, 1 by xy. Here it is e to the power minus t, that is 1 by x. Here it is log x plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. Thank you to all for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel.